Okay, I just got my new shorts in the mail from Amazon today. They are super cute. They do go kind of a little bit higher waisted, so they're mid-rise. So that's really nice. It has these cute little kind of tears in here. They have pretty deep pockets, so I can stick my hand pretty far down. You can see my fingers are all the way at the bottom there. So it's really nice to have some pockets and some pants for once. It does kind of have this little fold, so that's really cute. Very cute feature of these shorts. They don't bunch, so whenever you're walking or like running or jogging or something, they're not going to bunch up. They have nice big pockets on the back side and kind of cover that booty and kind of hide underneath, kind of go right under your booty. So that's nice with these two. They're a nice length. They're not too short, not Daisy Dukes. And they're not going to bunch, like I said, if you walk like up and down stairs or just around town. They're not going to become uncomfortable or anything like that. They're very soft and they are stretchy. You can kind of see that they do have stretch to them. So they fit really nicely. But just leave us a review and let us know how you liked them.